Hi guys, today my brother and me are playing the Superbear adventure. He wants me to defeat the brother again, I don't know why. So he loves defeating the brother again and again, so that's why. So my brother is here. Say hi guys, Yahya.
Hi guys, this is my video.
Hi guys, this is my video. See this? Hi guys, this is my video. We're making the Superbear adventure. But it's okay, he's still like a little kid, but it's okay. He can just say in baby or say, hi guys, this is my update. This is she always says, hey, Aizah! These are more like, whoa, easy there, easy. But good thing is so whoa! Oh man, I didn't die. But I didn't die. And just do the parkour again. What? No, I just fell. I'm good at parkours. Woohoo! Yay! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Look at that parkour! Oh no, I fell. No, what should I do? Get the card. Oh man, I fell again. Hey guys, good news! I want to tell you something. Let's go return to the hub. Yeah, wait, I want to show them something. So guys, good news because we got something new. So we already got the, remember guys, we got the rainbow bear. But good news, we got the rainbow Chica. So these are...
I want to buy something.
What do you want to buy? He wants to buy something.
I want this.
This sack bear? Or which Chica?
I want
The Boba Chica?
this.
Green?
Yes.
And which one? You want strong?
No, yes.
You want strong? Oh yeah, he wants the sack bear strong. So you want to go to the arcade board or you want to...
No, I want to fight.
Okay, let's go see Trispo Obby. He wants to always fight the brother because that's his favorite. I don't know why the brother is his favorite. So we're just gonna go in there. So now, okay, go. So my brother wants me to like beat the brother again and again. So we already beat it, yeah. So how much you wanna beat it? Or it's okay. Whoa! I'm gonna fall. Woo! I'm good at parkour because I love parkour.
I see why you died in making video.
He said that why did you die when you're making the video? I don't know, yeah. So he said, hi guys, this is my video. We're playing Superbear adventure. So I'm just translating in that because he's saying like a little bit of wrong words. So that's okay. I have one heart left. Whoa, please. I have to get some more hearts. I have an idea. Wait, no? Wait, I was flying? Don't say crazy. He said I'm crazy. Oh my god, I fell again.
I said we can hi guys again.
Okay, hi guys. He wants me to say again, hi guys. So what is the meaning of hi guys now? Stupid. And now let's do the parkour. La 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 la. So we're just what the bees. Hey, bye bye. Let's do some little parkours. Whoa! Parkour for more.
What is so maybe?
Yeah. He does only beat it in two. Oh, no. I almost have one heart when I'm doing this. Ew. That's disgusting. Say excuse me. He said excuse me, but it's okay. He can just say that. Because we're making the video in the middle of the video. He burped.
Don't you? You just
Burped. I don't know. Oh. I'm sorry. The beach is the beach is like going the that's the brother, Baron's brother.
Honey.
So remember guys, we already see Baron's brother that he cries. So we did this. We already know the question.
I said the visible.
Yeah, I know that.
I said the stinger as you.
Yeah, he said this is the stinger. Because he says stinger.
I said what the heck on the floor this.
Yeah, you don't know? I said what the heck? So we can't hurt Baron's brother. Whoa, I was getting that. But Baron honey. The purple honey. Now I just died. Hey, there's so many like so many. Hey, I want to get a heart. Stop doing that.
Stop it!
He said stop it. Woo! Stop it! No. I have one
Stop
heart.
it, Raju!
Oh no, I have one heart. Oh man, we cannot do it yet.
Okay, see you die.
Oh yeah, it restarts again. Okay. Okay. Now let's do that. Now be quiet. Okay, now quiet. Let's do the game. So now I'm the. Hey, yay! Why you destroy my chair? I was trying to be the king other than you, brother. Woo! I just fell. Why did I keep falling? Falling or falling? I don't know what it is. Whoa! It's like it was wrong. Okay, stop it, brother. Stop it. He wants me to say stop.
Stop it, the queen!
Stop the queen bee. Stop. Yeah, the eyes are purple because he's kind of angry. Yay.
Stop it, Raju!
Yay.
Hey!
Stop it,
Raju!
Hey, stop it.
Stop it, Raju!
Hey! Whoa. Oh man, he just threw me. It was not my mistake.
Stop it, Raju!
Oh, let me get the heart. I know I have two hearts. I did one heart.
Stop it, Raju! Please!
Oh, please.
How do you get poison? Is it poison, Raju?
Yeah, brother is crazy. So don't say that. Maybe he'll fly to you. Man, brother, stop it. No, this is
Stop it, Raju!
Hey, brother, stop it.
Stop it!
Well, thank you so much, brother. You're the most kindest. Right? Is this okay?
Please! Stop!
So now...
What? Hey, please! Stop waiting!
Wait! Are you crazy? Because I put Chica in green color, now he becomes blue. See, I told you he comes blue. I put the green Chica, so maybe this is the part. Why the queen is now like upside down? Maybe because he turned us upside down. So we have to be careful. Now quiet, let's do the game, bro. The bees. Yeah, the brother's crazy because he's like this. Whoa, the bee. The bee. He went down and I don't know why he's giant and small and he comes as a bee. I don't know why. Maybe he's like a king of the world because I don't know what happened. Maybe Baron is the king because he already saved the bears. So that's why everybody's shouting hooray to him. But maybe I think so because I know the story of that bit. But I cannot say. Guys, comment down below if you know the story that how Baron brother comes evil in the story. Oh no, I have less heart. So now we're going here. I don't know. Whoa, I was trying to almost fall. Hey, don't come to me. He's kind of like when I push him, he's like ah. He's like kind. Wait, stop.
I see your height. I don't forget. Poison.
Whoa, shit. No. He's like, hey, stop it. Hey. Oh, man.
I see you doing
We already just failed, but it's okay. We have still more time to do it. We cannot go in the Woo.
Hey,
Hey, bees, come. Whoa. Yeah, you just stop touching the mobile, please. Woo. Whoa. What happened? What the heck is this game? Wow, this is weird. I'm just gonna kill all bees. Bees. I'm getting low health. Yeah, please, I'm gonna make the video. Oh no. I think I'm gonna lose. Yeah, the brother's down now. Yeah. He's just saying a lot of questions like this and that. I know everything about the story. So yeah, you know what is Superbear Adventure. Just stop saying all these questions. I know them. I know them.
Hey, stop it.
Yes, we can do it. Please, we have to just do it. Shit, I have a low heart. Shit, it's kind of like, hey, stop it. Woo! this is the most hardest game.
I see.
So let's just please quiet.
Okay.
You cannot defeat the bees. Otherwise, if you're just making noise, oh, what happened to this game? It's like kind of his mouth just like silent. And I'm just gonna stare at him. Look at it in my wall. It's kind of like, why does he have the button eyes? Because look, this looks like a button for our clothes. Maybe he's like a toy like this. I don't know. Maybe he's like a toy. I don't know. And Baron still has his like strong one. Yeah. And Chica's more strong than Baron. But Baron can lift Chica and Chica can lift Baron. Because I think who's the strongest in the Superbear adventure? Baron's brother, Chica, or Baron, or maybe the bees. Comment down below if you know which one is more stronger. I think Baron is strong because he I think Chica's strong because he always like comes too big and yay. I think the Baron's brothers. Whoa, man! I try this all the time. Just quiet.
Okay.
I cannot do it. It's more hard game. Hey, come here. I cannot see you, but I can still smell you. And I can hear you. What you're saying, buzz, but good, you're saying buzz. So, but I can still smell you. You're holding a purple honeys. Yeah. So I don't know why Chica's a bird, but he don't have any wings. So what is gonna be it? Like a bird? Yeah, you're like a bird. Five Nights at Freddy's. Remember Five Nights at Freddy's? That quack walla thing. I think that is gonna be Bonnie. Freddy's gonna be Baron, and the reindeer. I think the fennec is gonna be Foxy, and Chica. I think I forgot her name. Chica. I think Chica. Yeah, and Chica are all the same names, little bit, but I think Chica and Chica are all the same names, and Chica and Chica are same, because they have yellow skins. Oh yes, finally, he just cried. Thank you. Why?
How do you say?
Yeah, nice.
I stop with the purple honey. Say hey. Say hey, I see you.
Okay. So he said to say the questions. Oh no, there's no match.